Back to the channel. So today we're solving a counted number of consistent strings, and so we given an array of string, and we given a list of allowed string, which is like the characters, and we want to check that if a string is consistent if all characters in the string appear in the string allowed. So let's say we allowed AB, so AD would not be consistent because D is something that's not in the allowed, and of course BD has also content D that's not allowed. So this one only contains AB, so it's consistent, and then BAA is also consistent. So I'm not gonna do a bit mask or something in a fancy way. So I'm just gonna do this in an array and string way. So let's just go ahead and do this. So this allowed, I think it will be at most 26, but it doesn't hurt if you want to make it to be a set. Right? Then we can initialize count equals to 0 to count how many consistent string in the array. Then we can just go ahead for word in words. So we're taking out each words, and then we're taking out each characters of the words. So if the character is not in the allowed set, so for example, you see D is not in the allowed set, and then you just want to break this. And I just found a very cool trick is that for you thought only if cases can do like an else case, but actually for loop and while loop can actually do an else case as well. This means that if this for loop is ended without any initial like earlier break, then you enter this else case. So if we didn't find anything that's not in the allowed set, like let's say AAAB, right? So we're done with all this thing, and then we're not breaking this for loop. So we go in this else case, and then set count plus equals 1. And then at the end, we just return count. Right, let's submit this. Then the runtime will just be the length of, well, it's kind of effective. I didn't expect that. Right, the runtime will just be the length of every string combined. So it will be of n times m. If you want to define m as like the longest length of one string, then yeah, word I dot length 10. Yep. So it will just be n times m, and then since the length of each character is at most 10, which is like a constant, so you can just drop it and set it will be just of n, which is the array length. All right. I hope this video is helpful. And also that's the space complexity of 26, which is just of 1. Yeah, this it's a constant. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.